Hey guys, this is Sid here from Speedworks and TunerFlash. I would like to welcome you all to TunerFlash. Today, I'll be taking you on a virtual tour of our website and showing you around. If you ever have to loop back to a particular point, feel free to rewind and continue from that point on. When you first land on our homepage, you'll see our core mission, providing precision ECU and TCU calibrations that are affordable, reliable, and proven. One of the first things you'll want to check out is our Vehicle Lookup Tool, right here on the front page. Here, you can select your car's make, model, generation, and engine. This is a great way to see available calibration stages and get a glimpse of the expected gains you can achieve with our files. Now let's say that you have an Audi A4, it's a B9 and it has a 2-liter TDI, which is basically the 35 TDI. So you can go ahead and populate the table, and over here you can select your engine. Within seconds, you will have a graph that shows up over here. You have your stock outputs, your tuned outputs, and you have your deltas. This is the expectations you could possibly have with regards to a stage 1 tune. The stage 2, 3, and 4 tunes will be updated shortly, but as of now, you can request a quote. Coming back to the main page. Now, why choose TunerFlash? We pride ourselves on Dyno-validated calibrations developed by our engineers with over 20 years of experience. We support over 500 plus ECU platforms. The most important part for you is our speed. We offer a 15 to 60 minute turnaround time during our operating hours. We know your time and your customer's time is valuable. So we've built our infrastructure to be fast and secure with AES 256 encryption for every single file transfer. Now let's take a look at the top menu. You have the About Us section, where you can read up about our stories. In the Shop section, this is not ready yet as of now, but we will be having the shop up and running very soon. Here you will be able to purchase personal flashers, you will be able to purchase master tools, slave tools, different cables, and anything and everything under the sun with regards to starting your own tuning business. Under pricing, here you will be able to see each and every single cost attached to every single service that we offer. This list is comprehensive, but we keep adding new vehicles on a day-to-day basis. This section here is for our dealers, where you can sign on and avail bulk pricing for credits. The tutorial section will be updated shortly, and this will have instructional videos just like this as to how to go about using the portal and extract the most amount of it. This is our contact page. Here you can get in touch with us for any of your queries, questions, or if you do have a file that you would like us to have a look at and whether to see if it can be tuned or not. TunerFlash is truly a global operation. While our headquarters is at Speedworks Boulevard near the Bangalore International Airport, we also have dyno facilities and active dealers spanning from Dubai and Greece to Estonia and Malaysia. Our team of engineers are working around the clock to provide you with no-nonsense solutions for your ECU and tuning needs. Before we wrap up, make sure to follow us on Instagram at TunerFlash for dyno runs and Speedworks Official for a behind-the-scenes look at our race paddock, dyno sessions, and shop builds. Folks, that's a quick look at the main site. It's designed to be a resource for information and support, but the real magic happens inside the portal. In the next video, I'm going to show you exactly how to register your account, buy credits, and upload your first file so you can start tuning. I'll see you on the next one.